Here we go, Shaun's third box of Signature Series. 2 packs. I'm confused. What do you mean by that? Alright, we've got an Adam Musial. Adam Musial. Autograph. Jeremiah Addison, numbered to 40 prospect autograph. Jeremiah Addison. We've got numbered to 40, a Champions autograph, Glenn Anderson. Glenn Anderson. We've got a prospect autograph of Cole Johnson. We've got number to 40 prospect autograph, Luke Green. Oh, artifacts will, yes, that is correct. Oh, that's kind of cool. We've got a captain's autograph, Red Kelly. Captain's autograph, Red Kelly. We've got numbered 3 of 10. Prospect autograph, Ryan Gropp. Or Grupp. 3 of 10. That's pretty sexy. And we finish off with a prospect auto swatch, which is a quad patch. Numbered 2 of 5. Cliff Pugh. 2 of 5 quad patch autograph. There we go.